So one of the things that I've really paid attention to is basically the type of structure that we're fishing, and it's changed up the cadence that I'm using with these hair jigs. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna hold your rod at roughly a 45-degree angle from where that bait's sitting, and basically you're just using the reel for the retrieve. So I'm letting it settle to the bottom. I'm giving one crank on the reel. You can see that it pops that hair jig up and it'll glide back down to the bottom. As soon as it touches bottom, I do it again and just keep going like that all the way till it comes back. The second cadence I'm using here, and I'll reel this in and show you, is when we're fishing the shorelines where there's a really sharp shelf right at the shoreline and there's some really nasty big boulders right close to shore. And by simply using that pass cadence, you get snagged up quite a bit more. So with that, if I'm fishing a shoreline, it's very typical slow fall, cold weather jigging, and I'm letting the jig settle to the bottom, and I'm basically lifting. I'm not snapping it up, but I'm lifting it, letting it settle back down to the bottom, reeling up the slack, and holding that hair jig and letting it swim very slowly and drift very, very slowly back to the bottom. And a lot of times on that hold is where you're gonna feel that hit. So two different type of setups, two different type of cadences, but really pay attention to how you're fishing these things because you can get more bites if you use the right cadence and the right type of structure.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.